Hello everyone and welcome. So today we are going to play Metal Gear Solid 5 Ground Zeroes and I will show you how to beat the game in 5 minutes. Actually you can beat the game in under 5 minutes. If you're missing some things then it will take a little bit longer. But you will see in the end that it took me 5 minutes and 22 seconds to beat it.
Now head east to the old prison area. You can bring up the target's location on your iDroid. Contact me if you need advice.
So this is where I messed it up a little bit. I lost a few seconds, but it doesn't matter. Always make sure to shoot the guards in the head. So you will find 4 or 5 guards there in this area. Take them out and keep running.
You're way too exposed.
This area is also the landing zone. So make sure to call the chopper before rescuing pass. So this is definitely a must because it takes some time till the chopper arrives. Make sure to take out the guards first, otherwise you will have a bunch of guards waiting there. So this is a must and you have to remember it. And go through the door and make sure to shoot the camera. After that go downstairs. You can call the chopper. So that's what I did. Actually I could have called him earlier, but I missed it. So keep moving forward and then make sure to take out the guards, the 4 guards. Go to the door, to the gate door, and once the cutscene starts playing, make sure to skip it straight away. So pick up pass and go back the same way. You'll find 2 soldiers standing around and talking to each other. Make sure to take them out and go upstairs again. Well, it is not necessary to kill them. You can also tranquilize them with the pistol, the silent pistol, but it's up to you. So you don't have to, but it's an option. So once arrived back at the landing zone, so make sure to take out the guy on the top, on the tower. So he could have been a problem,
Hide the target in a place.
so that's why I decided to take him out. I could have been smarter, to be honest. I could have called the chopper earlier, so I wouldn't have to wait that long. Then I wouldn't have lost so many seconds. But it happened. Just a side note.
This is Morpho, arriving shortly at LZ.
So once the guards notice the chopper, once they see or hear him, the alarm will start. And then do not panic, wait for the chopper to land and get past as fast as you can inside the chopper. Then straight away press the touchpad and then restart from the last checkpoint. So everything will be good, all quiet, no more soldiers attacking you or shooting at you. And then you can make your way to Chico and make sure to avoid alarms. With avoiding alarm, I mean that you have to headshot every time. If you miss it, so then the guards will call for backup, and then you will have to restart the complete mission. And we are trying to avoid that.
Roger that chopper request. southwest. It's headed your way now.
So I have lost again a few seconds because he's trying to headshot the guy, and I missed it. So I called the chopper instead, and after that I tranquilized him. So take out these two guys. Then you have two more on the right side, and then you can enter, unlock the door, and Chico is located on the very left. As you can see, I did pretty good. Make sure to pick up Chico, and also don't get spotted by the guy on the tower.
Boss,
If he
we have
sees
to get
you,
Chico
then
out.
it's over.
Keep an eye out for nearby enemies. They could try
Go
to
to
shoot
the
from the
landing
short
zone,
range.
wait for the chopper to arrive, and then hop in.
This is Morpho,
And
arriving
then you
shortly
will
in
get the
LZ.
results. As you can see, I made it in 5 minutes and 22 seconds, which is not hard. I have managed to beat the game in 4 minutes and 55
This is
seconds
Morpho, on station
10
in
years
LZ.
ago, almost 10 years ago, on the PlayStation 4. Yeah, it was hard, but it was fun to
Pursuing another
play.
chopper.
It's still fun today, but I cannot even imagine that it's been 10 years already, or almost 10 years. Pretty fun, but it felt like a demo to me. Yeah, not just for me, to me, also for all the other players. And yeah, actually, it felt also like a cash grab, I must say. We had to pay 30 euros or dollars, for, as you can see, 5 minutes demo. And Konami or Kojima, they cannot really justify that. So 30 euros for 5 minutes story is. But it's been 10 years already, so it's a little bit too late to moan about it, to complain about it. The game is still fun. It has one of the best graphics, mechanics. The gameplay is awesome. Also, Phantom Pain. Yeah, and that's it for today. If you liked or enjoyed the video, please leave a comment below. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.